Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this review, I am taking a look at Universal Indicator EA for your indicator MT4. All right, so the name is quite interesting. The Universal Indicator EA for your indicator and is for MT4. Okay, so this is an MT4 Expert Advisor developed by Afsal Merankuti. And according to the MQL5 Marketplace page, we are looking at version 12.6, updated on April 27th, 2026. Now, starting with the Marketplace overview, Universal Indicator EA is presented as a tool designed to automate trading strategies without requiring any coding knowledge. Now, rather than operating as a fixed trading system with predefined rules, the EA is built to work with indicators that generate buy and sell signals, allowing traders to automate strategies based on the indicators they already use. Now, looking at the pricing section, the EA is currently available for purchase at 169 US dollars, with rental options starting at 69 US dollars per month and 135 US dollars for 1 year. One of the main ideas behind this product is flexibility, right? According to the developer, the EA can read trading signals from both indicator buffers and objects displayed on the chart. The marketplace description specifically recommends testing the EA with your chosen indicator on a demo account before purchase to confirm compatibility. As I continue through the description, the developer emphasizes that the EA can work with almost all custom indicators and can be used on both live and demo accounts. However, it's also clearly stated that the trading performance depends entirely on the indicator signals being used and the strategy configuration selected by the trader. Moving into the features section, the latest version supports multiple trading modes. These include operation with the built-in cyberzing, zigzag indicator, trading with custom indicators, manual buy and sell orders, instant execution based on indicator signals, limit and stop orders, manual martingale trading, automated martingale trading, and automated hedging modes. The setup process is designed around selecting an indicator and defining how the EA should interpret its signals. Users can specify the indicator name, configure buffer numbers or object names, and provide indicator input parameters directly through the EA settings. Now, the developer also explains that the EA supports different signal styles. For example, some indicators generate signals only on specific bars, while others provide continuous trend information across multiple candles. The EA includes settings to accommodate both types of indicator behavior. Another important point mentioned in the description is that traders should verify whether the trades executed by the EA match the indicator signals being generated. If there is a mismatch, the developer recommends checking and adjusting the configured buffer numbers. The marketplace page also notes that this is not a simple plug and play expert advisor. The developer specifically advises users to review the documentation, watch the tutorial materials, and spend time learning the setup process before using it with real funds. Now, let us transition into the historical backtesting section. When reviewing historical backtest results for an EA like this, it is important to remember that Universal Indicator EA is essentially a framework for executing indicator-based strategies. The results will depend heavily on the indicator selected, the signal configuration, and the overall trading rules established by the user. All right. So let us just briefly look at the provided information here via these images. Okay, that wasn't clear enough. Let's head over to our strategy tester. Okay, but here I think this should be around over 50% net profit from $1,000 deposit, and I can see um the win rate is not clear enough, but I think it should be over 50% win rate as well. But let's just head over to our strategy tester and Let's see how the universal indicator EA for your indicator performed on gold on the H1 time frame over the past 3 months. We're testing from 23rd March to 23rd June 2026. All right, so remember that this EA is, dependent on the indicators used, the strategy, used, and all of that, right? So in this case, we didn't have a trade executed, and looking at the journal, there doesn't seem to be any error message. Okay, so this indicator requires, some level of customization by the user. Okay, but let's just go turn on the visuals and let us see the EA in action, at least how it looks like, right? So as I review the chart behavior, the the most useful observations typically come from evaluating whether the EA accurately follows the indicator signals and whether the configured trade management rules behave as expected throughout the test period. Okay, so when you look at the historical testing data and chart activity, any observed trade entries and exits should be interpreted as a reflection of the chosen indicator signals rather than a fixed internal strategy. Since the EA can operate with different indicators and multiple trading modes, performance characteristics can vary significantly from one setup to another. I would still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Now, because strategy performance depends on the selected indicator, extended testing becomes especially important before moving to live trading. When discussing historical testing performance, it is essential to remember that results are influenced by risk settings, lot sizes, broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, market conditions, and the specific strategy configuration being used. Historical analysis should always be treated as a research tool rather than a prediction of future performance. Overall, the universal indicator EA for your indicator offers a highly flexible way to automate indicator based trading systems without coding. Its ability to work with custom indicators, indicator buffers, and chart objects make it a versatile solution for traders who want to transform manual indicator signals into automated execution. As always, thorough testing and optimization should be completed before considering any live deployment. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.